What is a Fiverr buyer request? If you spent any time searching for ways to make money on Fiverr, you're bound to have come across the term Fiverr buyer request. Fiverr buyer requests are an important tool that Fiverr sellers can use to get more orders on Fiverr. In this video, I'm going to break down what Fiverr buyer requests are, why you should care about buyer requests, and how you can leverage buyer requests to make more money on Fiverr. So stay tuned. If you're excited about learning about how buyer requests can help you grow your Fiverr business, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Just like buyer requests, this channel is all about opportunities and giving you information that will help you make more money on Fiverr. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I put out 2 a week. Stay tuned. First, I'll start by explaining what exactly buyer requests are. Simply put, the Fiverr buyer request section is a section of the Fiverr website where buyers can post requests for services that they want to purchase. If you're at all familiar with Fiverr, you'll probably be familiar with the concept of Fiverr gigs. So Fiverr gigs are typically the way that most Fiverr sellers get business. You decide on what type of service you want to sell on Fiverr, you create a gig, which is essentially like an advertisement for that service, and you wait for buyers to find your gig, review your services offering, and purchase your services from you. Buyer requests skip this step. Think of buyer requests as a way for buyers to outline exactly what they want to purchase and have sellers come to them. It's a lot easier for buyers. Typically, it creates almost like bidding wars between sellers. But yeah, this is what buyer requests are, and this is how they differ just a little bit from the traditional way of selling on Fiverr. Why should you care about buyer requests? Well, buyer requests present a very interesting opportunity, especially for new starting out Fiverr sellers. So the reality of Fiverr and selling on Fiverr is that it can take some time to get your first couple of orders. Take it from me. I'm a pro-rated seller now. I've been selling for 3 years, and I recently created a gig as an experiment. There's a video about it on this channel. It took me, I think, about 60 days to get my first order on that new gig. It's quite a bit of time. So what buyer requests do is they create an opportunity and an avenue for sellers to try to influence the amount of time it's taking to get that first order. Buyer requests give people an opportunity to speed things up, pitch your services, and potentially win a lot of orders and a lot of buyers through the Fiverr platform. It's pretty cool. So if you're watching this and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna give buyer requests a shot. It's been taking some time to get orders on my main gig. That's great. And I actually already have a couple videos created to help you do that. So I'll put them on the screen somewhere here, but the first video you should check out is just called Fiverr Buyer Request Tutorial. I put it out about a year ago. It basically outlines the steps I would take when responding to buyer requests, and also outlines a way of getting and influencing orders for your Fiverr profile outside of buyer requests that I think actually might be more effective in some situations. It leverages email marketing. So you should definitely check out that video. It's gonna be really helpful. The second one is a more recent video you should check out. It's called How to Create a Fiverr Elevator Pitch. So I've been trying to, put information back out into the community to help you all become better salespeople, sell more, and be more effective in closing new buyers. Part of this, I think, relates to being able to effectively pitch and sell your services to new buyers who don't know you. So there's a tutorial I put out called How to Create an Effective Elevator Pitch. You should check it out. It goes hand in hand with buyer requests because essentially when you're bidding on a project, that bid is a pitch. You're pitching your services. You're trying to explain why they should hire you in a short amount of time. So check those out. Should be really, really helpful. And if you're a non-English speaker and the idea of writing out a sales pitch in English is intimidating, don't worry. Obviously practice, work on it, and improve, but I put a link to another tool in the description of this video that might help. It's called Grammarly. It's a tool that helps with proofreading, spell check, and grammar. It's really awesome. I think you can sign up for free, and basically it serves as an extension or an add-in that kind of checks your writing as you're writing it. So it's pretty helpful. You should check it out. So what are you waiting for? Are you going to get started and start responding to buyer requests? If you are, let me know in the comment section. I'd be really curious to know what type of requests you're going after. And if you're someone who's had some success going after buyer requests, let us know how that interaction went. How did you pitch your services? What was it like getting started with those buyers? And would you do it again? Anyways, that's all I have for you today. So until next time, cheers.